sunny day.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for bus.
B for bus.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grape.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
S is for sun, sun. T is for toad.
N for nuts.
N for nurse.
Umbrella, let's all sing together the phonics song. V is for
O for
violin,
orange.
O for orange.
W is for watch, W for watch. X is for xylophone.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Let's all sing together the phonics song. Y is for yellow.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Zebra. This is a zebra, and here we come to the end of the song. A is for
R for rat.
R for rat.
B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
D is for doll. Doll. E is for
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
frog. Frog. Let's all sing together the phonics song.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Goat. H is for hand. Hand. I is for igloo. Igloo.
V for violin.
V for violin.
J is for jump. Jump. K is for kangaroo.
W for watch.
W for watch.
For lion. Lion. Let's all sing together the phonics song.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Net. N is for nets. Net. O is for orange.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Phonics song. P is for pet. Pet. Q is
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
rabbit. Let's all sing together the phonics song. S is for sun.